So, hello boys and girls. This is Mrs. Eliza Ysaguirre here. Can you take a look by looking at my scientist hat? What we're gonna be learning today about? Take a look at it. Yes, we are going to be learning today about animals, but not any type of animals. Specifically, we are gonna be talking about vertebrates and invertebrates. Let us continue. As you are aware, animals can be classified, meaning that they fall under a category. They can either be under vertebrates, which are warm or cold-blooded, or invertebrates, which are those that have legs or can have no legs at all. Let us begin with vertebrates. And let me move myself more here. Vertebrates are those that tend to have an internal skeleton system, such as this one. The name arrives from the word backbone, such as this model. As you can see, these represent here the bones, and this here represent the orange represent the disc. These help to cushion the spinal cord for us to be able to walk, to run, to be able to jump. As well, us vertebrates have a highly developed brain, making us super smart. That's why we can always get 100. As well, we have a nervous system that is connected to our backbone, and that's the reason why we can respond to stimuli. As well, we have a circulatory system, meaning we have our heart. And as well, we can breathe with our respiratory system and cells that cover the outside part of our body, such as skins. Under vertebrates, we have 5 major categories, meaning mammals, we have reptiles such as chameleon, we have amphibians such as the frogs, we have birds such as the cardinal that we can see flying, and as well like a school of fish shown here. Since vertebrates have a backbone, we are larger than invertebrates. Let us continue. Under vertebrates, there are warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals, meaning that warm-blooded animals, we can control our body temperature regardless of the temperature that's outside. For example, these include dogs, cats, and us humans. And as you can see on the screen, I have a Bengali tiger that's running and a dancing bear. As well, we have under vertebrates those that are cold-blooded animals. These are animals that cannot control the temperature of their body. So these are animals like fishes, frogs, and like the snake shown there. Vertebrates live all around the world and they are able to adapt easily. And vertebrates make up 2% of all the animal species on Earth. As I mentioned previously, we have what is called the invertebrates that are as well animals. Invertebrates do not have a backbone like that of the vertebrates. So most of them are filled with liquids, such as the jellyfish as seen on the screen, the earthworm. However, there are others that have a hard covering and they move away from them, such as turtles. We have crabs like on the screen, and as well we have snails. They, unlike vertebrates, do not have a well-developed brain, and they do not have a they do not have a skeletal system nor a muscular system. Some of them are very, very small, and they have 2 body parts. The first body plan is radical symmetry and the circular shape around a mouth. Organisms that are shaped most of their life forced to live only on one area. The second body plan is that it has a bilateral symmetry, left and right halves, such as butterflies, that are exactly the same with their definite front and back end. Organisms with shapes like these live most of their time searching for food. So that means that in contrast to the others, they move around. They are not as intelligent as other animals such as the vertebrates. They have a simple nervous system and they live by trusting their instincts. Invertebrates are classified into 6 groups, being cnidarian sponges such as this one that I have here on the left. We have arthropods such as spiders, mollusks such as squids, echinoderms such as starfish, and finally what we know as annelids are worms such as the centipede here. Invertebrates are very unique. They are found in all habitats. Generally, they have a hard time adapting to a habitat that is not theirs. There are 2 million species of animals in the world. Can you imagine that? And out of those, 98% of them are invertebrates. Well, boys and girls, I hope that you have learned a whole lot from these types of animals. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.